What's up, everyone? Today, we're going to the Bay Area to investigate what's going on with the forest fires. Because it's been raining ash for the past week. You know, I'm curious. Curiosity didn't kill the cat, did it? Hold up. We need some refreshments to stay cool. Quarantine mode activated. This is the perfect look for 2020. Yes. Yes, it is. Badass, baby. Do I look like a badass? Total bad boy, right? Look at that. We're about to enter the final stage of 2020, and the military has shown up at my local Starbucks. Much better. So, just stopped at the I-80 rest area, headed to San Francisco, and God, it is smoky here. It is really, really something. Take a look at this. I can't imagine what happened in Napa Valley. It's still really smoky and probably inaccessible to get closer to the fire to take a look at it. So, this actually used to be a military base, and I believe this is Fort Baker. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know sometimes. But now it's closed, and it's just a big tourist spot. Wow, look at that bird. See that? Look at that. It's pretty cool. This place is pretty cool. Now, this place is kind of like my little getaway. I always come here when I'm down in the dumps or whatever reason I come up with. This is a pretty cool spot to come, just relax, chill out, and forget about life's wonders. So now let's try to get up to the Marin Headlands. That place is pretty awesome. Now, when I first came to California back in 2017, this place caught me by surprise. This is one of the chillest, calmest, peaceful places I've ever been to. So the Martin Headlands actually used to be part of a military base. Or they have Fort Baker and some other ones. This is called Hawk Hill, where I'm at right now. It's a pretty special spot. I mean, where can you get a view like that? Look at that. It's like straight out of a movie or a video game or something like that. It's beautiful over here. If you ever get the chance to come here, go ahead, please do. I hate these masks. I can't wait till they come out with vaccine or something, or get rid of this whole COVID thing. Get rid of this whole thing that's going on. Life's gonna be different after it. I'm sure of it. Check that out. Check it out. There's a cloud. Look at that. It's like a little cloud over there. Breathtaking. Absolutely breathtaking. Sensitive resources, people. Don't throw your trash around. Don't step where you're not supposed to. Take care of the environment. Take care of the world that we live in. Like, humans are the biggest cancer on this earth, pretty much. Always, like, especially now, with the whole thing going on, there are masks all over the place, empty bottles of hand sanitizer, gloves, like, all that's thrown around. I'm sure something bigger is gonna wipe you out if you don't fix your behavior, people. Like, come on. Now, over there in the distance, that's Twin Peaks. All that is San Francisco right there. And we will be exploring that in the next video. And I'm gonna show you guys a place called Treasure Island, which I've never been to, and I think it's a pretty cool spot. I think it's a pretty cool spot with a dope view of the city. So we're gonna check that out, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be real fun. This was a great drive today. You know, I love driving. I love travel. It's in my DNA.
Oh my god, there's a snake.
That scared the bejesus out of me.
Almost got attacked by a snake. Could you imagine? Could you imagine me, my fat ass laying out here in the middle of nowhere by a military base? That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't want to be out here. Well, I probably shouldn't go back where the snake was. It's gonna lash out and bite me because it doesn't like me. This is the picture that is next to the definition of serene. Look at that, barely any wind, nothing crazy, no one around, just you. It's just you in the hills. So it's time for me to head back home, and next video we're going to be exploring San Francisco and a place that not many people go to, Treasure Island. I wonder what's there. Till next time.